All right, so here's a visual of what can happen if you choose to make your umbrella out of something that's hard, such as a saucer or a pie pan or a plate, anything that's hard that is not flexible. You're going to have a hard time trying to get your hook or your hanger in that hole that's in the center. So the good thing about the Frisbee is it's flexible and you can fold it like a taco and then your hook will go right in there. There you go. So my umbrella doesn't really have a lot of support. It's just being held up by the end of the hook. So it's a little lopsided. If I had more time or if I had a glue gun, I'd probably tack on some glue underneath just to help to keep it more level. But I was in a hurry. It was raining and I just wanted to get this over the hummingbird feeder as soon as possible. So I could always go back and fix it at a later date. Also, if you do decide to glue it, just make sure you leave enough room to slip the hummingbird feeder on the end of the hook. There it is, up and running. We're back in business now. There's the neighbor's tree where the hummingbirds usually hang out, but they're not there right now. And we'll just give them some time till they find out that there's some good nectar in this feeder. It might even be a good idea to glue the umbrella upside down into place so it can fill with water. That way, if it gets windy, it'll help weigh it down. And it could also serve as an ant trap. The main reason that I wanted to put up this umbrella wasn't to keep the birds dry, it's to keep the water from going inside of the feeder so it doesn't get diluted. So a couple hours later, I got a little guy out here who found the feeder that has the good nectar in it. And it looks like the rain has lightened up a little bit. The hummingbirds won't even go over to the other feeders because they're not covered from the rain, and they usually get pretty waterlogged. And on this feeder, I can't put any type of an umbrella over it because it has that decorative piece on the hook